Meanwhile, the Defense Industries Corporation DICOND7G, an arm of the Ministry of Defense, says troops require drones for surveillance and advanced warning to curb ambush by terrorists. To meet the need of its troops in the front line, DICON has successfully upgraded and tested some rifles used by troops with precision. Defense correspondent Ismail Musa reports.
The nation's security challenges continue to stretch the capacity of the armed forces. From Boko Haram attacks in the northeast to banditry and kidnapping, demands for weapons, ammunition and surveillance equipment on the increase. To address this challenge, the federal government says a major step towards closing this gap is the Defense Industries Corporation of Nigeria.
The armed forces need more of drones to give them early warning before entering into ambush. So we have in our stock now drones, and we will be assembling more.
We are launching our jet. 160,000 square meter is a private jetty with partner with the government. This 160,000 square meter is 70% will be there for defense industry, for material.
The organization has just concluded an upgrade of rifles for troops, but its officials insist boosting local production will provide steady supply of critical hardware for troops on the front line.
We have assembled the version that is used to be known as AK-103. Large quantity has been assembled so far, and we have successfully upgraded those weapons.
The DICOND7G project is part of a broader effort to modernize Nigeria's defense architecture. In Abuja, Ismail Musa, NTA News.